Let's discuss the next feature in the HRM section, the Staffs feature. In this section, you can add staff details to the system. If you have already added a staff member, you will see the options: View, Edit, or Delete. Clicking View lets you see staff details. To add a new staff member, click the Add Staff button. Here's how to do it: name, email, number, gender, and date of birth. After filling all the details, just click Next. If you need to make changes later, go to the Actions section and select Edit next to the staff you want to update. On this interface, you will see options to enter department, designation, and join date. Once you have entered this information, click Next to continue. Enter the country, state, city, and blood group. After providing these details, click Next to proceed. Finally, enter the role, bank details, education, and experience. Then click Submit to complete the process. You can now view the newly added staff details. To make changes, use the Edit option. To remove a staff member, click Delete.